So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a an allotment tour. I'm going to show you all that I have planted in my allotment and how they're all doing. So if you're interested in watching it, keep watching. So if you recall, in one of my videos I planted soya beans. See, so as at July, this is how my soya beans are doing. They're all grown and I weeded them, planted, weeded. This is how they are doing at time. So right next to the soybean patch is the Oba patch. Right here in where I live, it's called Kurujia. But in my language, in Igbo language, it's called Oba. So this is what it looks like when it's growing. So when you want to harvest it, you actually uproot it just like you would granite. So this is the Oba patch. You can see how it is doing. All of them were not planted at the same time. So that is why some are big and some are small, because I actually planted them but I dug up, so I had to replant. So this is my Oba Kurujia patch. So this right here is the granite patch. It is next to the Oba patch. So these are the granites and these are how they are doing. I planted them near the Oba patch. So you can see they are all grown and some have already started flowering. So that is it right up to the end of the allotment. So this long ridge right here next to the soybean patch is the potato patch. So you can see on it I have both Irish and sweet potatoes. So the Irish potatoes, as you can see, are well on their way, but the Irish potato, the sweet potatoes, you can see they are just like little sticks, but in a few days they will begin to form leaves. So these are the Irish potatoes. They are well on their way. So this is my potato patch. So as they go on, I'll still update you on their growth. And of course the corn. Yes, this is my corn, guys, and this is the part of my allotment where I am least pleased. The corn had so many issues. When I first planted them, the birds came and dug them up. I had to replant many, so most of them are at different stages of growth. Then when they managed to pick up, they are grown, and then there was an ice storm that practically shredded the leaves of them. So you can see they look so scanty. But they are pushing on, they are moving ahead. You can see some of them are already starting to flower. So this is the corn patch. So guys, this is it for the July allotment tour. If you enjoyed it, stay tuned also for the July garden tour, because I have a garden and also an allotment. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.